Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you're coming across us or you're hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain Progress News and we bring you all the latest updates. See, my wonderful family, I have another one that I want each and every one of us to digest to hear. So a lot has been going on, and I am here to tell you all the latest updates. Finally, after the many calls from people to Finland embassy, Finnish citizens about Mazi Simon Ekpa that he should be arrested, he should be brought back to Nigeria, and so many others. And I also shared a video with you where Mr. Simon Ekpa opposed the motion, like he even encouraged them that they should go ahead, that they should not do this on social media, that they should take the necessary application, they should do it legally and take it to any office, any embassy they want, even to his doorpost, that there is no problem, that he have his own say. And as we are saying it, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor brought this update not quite long. He said updates on legal action against Simon Ekpa. Today, we formally commence a legal action before the Federal High Court of Nigeria, the same Nigeria, against Simon Ekpa. Which action is, he said that Simon Ekpa is violent, Simon Ekpa is disturbing, and false declaration. That is all about the sit-at-home and so many others. And he said that he wants to assure Simon Ekpa that and his cohort that no matter the country they are, no matter the country you people believe to be presently hiding under the protection of full arms of the law, we certainly catch up with you all in the legal way already commenced. This is just one in a long line of compelling civil and criminality that is coming your way. He said the hour has come and I wish to retreat that you, Simon Ekpa, cannot escape from the long arms of law. That is from Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. Now, he sued Simon Ekpa, or is about to sue Simon Ekpa, to the same court, that the Federal High Court in Nigeria, that Simon Ekpa is violent, Simon Ekpa is disturbing the peace of Biafra, and so many others. And now, it's just like is now a game start, is now a game play between the indigenous people of Biafra and the lawyer to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the lawyer that is defending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, together with this Biafra restoration. Hey, what a joke. See, let me tell you something. Since he posted this, since this news break up, a lot of people have different thoughts. A lot of people were like saying Biafrans need to ask Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor some questions, because he said the same court that refused to obey court order, the same country that you said these people don't want to obey court order, they are this, they are that, maltreating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just need the freedom of his people, and so many others. The same court that you are trying to rescue those people that were arrested illegally, you are trying to bring them out, and it seems so difficult. All the same with the issue of this Biafra agitation. A lot of people with different information or different idea or different opinion since the lawsuit against Simon Ekpa from Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor break out in the internet. Now, some persons were saying that they've heard Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor time without number trying to defend Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, telling the federal government of Nigeria that even Mike Ezekome, they said the crime that was committed by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in court, according to the federal government of Nigeria, that those courts, those cases or they are dead on arrival. Why? He said because those crimes were not committed in Nigeria. That is just a mere broadcast. Now they are now asking Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, if you defend Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just made some declaration and now they are trying to crucify him for that. That is it possible? So why now do you think that the declaration of Simon Ekpa from the same abroad, from outside Nigeria, is not so relevant to the law in Nigeria? Now, I want to read a little brief of what Biafrans are now saying. He said, now I know and confirm that Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor of a guy does not worth it or is not to be trusted and does not know anything about law. A someone who does not live in a jurisdiction of Nigeria, who is a senior citizen of a civilized country, you are here petitioning him in a Nigeria court with a mere proclamation he made outside Nigeria. And you still expect us to take you as a serious and learned lawyer that should still be representing as supreme leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In fact, if you look at this thing in a very right manner, you will know that there is a mix-up somewhere. In fact, they have already missed the track. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor missed the track. Sorry to say. The fact that a lot of people don't love what Simon Ekpa is doing, let me use that word. The fact that a lot of people don't love what he's doing, a lot of people are not 100% in support of him. Yes, because even if you do everything from head to toe, people will still talk. Not everybody that will love you. That is the point I'm trying to bring. The fact that not everyone that love Simon Ekpa, neither is everyone that is in support of what he's doing. But this aspect of Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor is a no for a lot of people. See, it is questionable. Are you not saying that the proclamation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that you are defending from abroad, you said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu makes some speech that are not in Nigeria territory. So why would the Nigeria government persecute him? I heard those things from you as well. Now some Biafrans, they are not saying it because since this news break up, a lot of people have reached out and said, is it not Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor that said that what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pronounced is not in Nigeria and is not enough to persecute him and all that? So why is it that the ones that Simon Ekpa is saying not so important? That if the one Simon Ekpa is saying are so important, that means the federal government of Nigeria, you have already answered the question. Yes, you've helped them to judge the case because the case fight was that those proclamations of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are not pronounced in Nigeria. So why is it that the ones that Simon Ekpa pronounced, they are not so relevant? See, people are not talking. The world is listening. Everything is not turning around. See, let you people not do something that will affect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because that is where this thing is ringing to right now. People should not do what will affect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because if they give the room to the DSS or to the federal government of Nigeria that yes, these things they are known to law and you are right to take this action. Now, when you as the lawyer in charge still be the one that went to give them this opinion and tell them that this person also is not in Nigeria but is making some declaration, therefore he want to face the law, they will not ask what about the ones that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pronounce. So please, I really want Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor to think twice. And I really think that there are better ways to handle this situation, because this step we are taking right now, I don't think that is the best. Nigeria that don't obey court order of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that did not do anything, just pronouncement. Is it that the same Nigeria we are not taking this issue to? In fact, I am so ashamed. Honestly speaking, this is unacceptable. This is uncalled for. Please, there are better ways to handle these issues. Me, I was even thinking that they have to leave everything till they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then they cannot decide. Then Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot step into the issue. But as it is right now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can't even decide. Don't really know the origin, don't know a lot about what is going on. Let's consider the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so important before any other thing. Anything you are doing, any step you are taking, just first put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu first, so that this thing that is happening right now will not have any effect on him. Because I'm just viewing it for a viewing sake. People will say, oh, what do you know about IPOP? Are you an IPOP member? But I'm just saying my own on this particular issue. We should not do anything that will affect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have suffered a lot, and all these things that is playing right now is not going to end just like that, because the person involved, the Simon Ekpa that is involved, it will not also let everything to die just like that. It's not somebody that you can just close and cover, try to cover him down, that he will not speak. He will definitely speak, and at the end of the day things will not go well. I really want the barrister to look into this issue. Please share this video and let it get to Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, that he should look into these issues right now. Is this the appropriate time to do this? Is a question. I wept for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Honestly speaking, I feel so much pain for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because what is going to happen? You people are going to refer to this video when the time comes, because this step is very dangerous. It's very dangerous. So thank you everyone for listening. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.